They live amongst us. They walk amongst us. And every day, they're becoming a bigger and bigger part of our existence. We're talking, of course, of the Homo sapien. Humans broke off from their squirrel ancestors many millions of years ago. And while they have grown considerably in size, evolution has cost them dearly in strength, agility, and intelligence. For example, with our strong hind legs and versatile claws, we can climb trees with ease and jump up to 10 times our own body length. In contrast, humans are astonishingly lacking in the ability to climb even a simple great oak, relying on mechanical devices to accomplish the most basic of tasks. We must conclude that any attempts by humans to replicate the natural agility of squirrels are sadly misguided. Also, while we're protective of our resources, often redigging our acorns in multiple locations to mislead potential robbers, humans are careless with their food, often throwing their excess provisions into exposed food caches. Easy pickings for us. Lastly, we're always aware of our environment and its potential dangers, while humans are largely inattentive to their surroundings. They often divert their already narrow vision to small, square-shaped objects, and deliberately muffle their hearing with earplugs for seemingly no reason. Humans often expose themselves openly to the environment, leaving them extremely vulnerable to hawks, the most dangerous predators in the entire animal kingdom. Overall, humans are slow, dim-witted, but relatively harmless creatures. However, in recent times, a new threat has emerged. Millions of squirrels are struck down by cars every year, yet very little is known about what has become one of our most dangerous predators. By themselves, cars are largely sedentary creatures. It is only when engaged with human beings that they are provoked into a seemingly uncontrollable rage. The motives behind their senseless, murderous nature have long been unknown. However, new studies have emerged, suggesting that the violent behavior of humans and their stoic companions is the result of a symbiotic relationship, designed to ensure their mutual survival. Much like the koala bear, cars have evolved to rely on a single nutrient, gasoline. And yet, they are unable to feed themselves. The human hand has evolved perfectly to extract and provide this essential nutrient at the appropriate feeding grounds. In exchange, cars offer protection to the humans, who possess few survival skills of their own. Fearing for the extinction of their species, humans have declared war on us, with cars as their compliant weapons of mass destruction. How can we learn to live peacefully with the humans, who have seemingly resorted to violence in an ill-guided attempt to keep their species alive? We must not hide in the trees or under the bushes, cowering before them in fear. We must make ourselves known and show the humans that the squirrel race is one of peace and not war. We are stewards of this earth, diligently planting the foundations of our future ecosystem. And while we may be faster and stronger than the humans, it is not in our nature to fight. Perhaps with time, they will learn that violence is not the solution, and follow us down the path of peaceful coexistence.